Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to adjust audio in Filmora. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically the first thing would be is just to open up your project in Filmora. That means you will need just to either create a new project or open a project. You can do it by going to file and then go to new project. You choose your aspect ratio that you would like and then you can start a project. Otherwise, you can just open an existing project. The second step would be is to have any media imported into your timeline. You can do it by going to media, and of course you can go to project media, and here you can import your own media, or you can even use stock media. So basically here, to adjust audio, you will need just like to click on the video itself or into any object, and from there you will find like these video settings, like you have basic, etc., and all these. And basically to find the audio you will have this mute option, and basically you can also have like some effects and filters either for the audio or for whatever you like. And in my case, my video does not have any audio, so we can simply go to import media. We can choose any video here, and I'm just going to import. And basically, let's just cancel. Here you will find another panel for audio. So you will have a voice changer that you can add like some effects to your voice, or you can like you can see the audio. You can either increase it, adjust it. You can also increase the volume. As you can see, those are the spikes. You can like decrease the volume, etc. And you can do it even like from here. And basically you can also like start balancing the channels. Like either you can start like listening more in the left ear and from here in the right ear, etc. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.